My name is Prechingard B. Maratas, Section G2E-1. Information found the stability booklet on board ships. A stability booklet contains important data and instructions about the ship's stability and loading conditions. It is approved by the Maritime Administration and carried on board to help officers operate the ship safely. The booklet usually includes the following information: general particulars of the ship, length, breadth, depth, draft, displacement, and tonnage. Hydrostatic data: table showing displacement, draft, buoyancy, and other hydrostatic properties at different drafts. Cross curves of stability graphs used to calculate the ship's stability at different loading conditions. Lightship data: weight of the ship without cargo, fuel, crew, or storage, and its center of gravity. Loading conditions: example of ship loading conditions such as full load, ballast condition, or partial load. Writing arm, GG curves. Diagram showing the ship's ability to return to an upright position when titled maximum allowable kg center of gravity. Limits for the ship's center of gravity to ensure stability. Instructions for ballasting and deballasting. Guidelines on how to manage ballast water or to maintain stability. Damage stability information about the ship's stability if certain compartments are flooded. Why the stability booklet is very important for seafarers. The stability booklet is important because ensures safe loading of the ship. It helps officer determine if the ship is loaded safely and remains stable, prevents capsizing or listing. By following the stability limits, the crew can avoid dangerous situations that may cause the ship to capsize. Helps in voyage planning. Officer can calculate safe loading conditions before and during the voyage. Provide guidance during emergencies. In cases like flooding or cargo shifting, the booklet helps the crew assess the ship's stability. Required by maritime regulations, international rules require ships to carry an approved stability booklet on board. Thank you.